How to fix Windows 11 not detecting headphones. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to resolve the issue of Windows 11 failing to detect your headphones when you connect them. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing. And after subscribing, please consider giving it a thumbs up. So let's begin. The initial solution for Windows 11 not recognizing the headphones when they are plugged in is to ensure that they are inserted correctly. Make sure that they are firmly connected and that you haven't accidentally plugged them into the wrong port, as some ports on your computer or laptop may be designed for microphones. Ensure that they are inserted into a speaker jack, whether it's located at the front or the back of your computer. If there are multiple jacks, try them all. Once you're certain they are properly plugged in, the next step is to access the sound settings by navigating to the bottom right of the Windows and right-click on the sound icon and select the Open Sound Settings. Alternatively, you can access the sound setting by going into your System setting and Sound. Then after, tap on Manage Sound Devices and under Output Devices, choose where to play sound. Ensure your headphones are connected. Sometimes, when you plug in a new device, Windows does not automatically switch the output to that device, so you may need to manually select it. For instance, if your speakers are currently selected, you'll need to switch your headphones after plugging them in. If you're using Bluetooth headphones, you may need to pair them as a new output device. Another recommended step is to run a troubleshooter. To do this, go to the bottom of the Windows on the click on Search and type in Troubleshoot. Then select Troubleshooter Other Problems, find Playing Audio option and run the troubleshooter. If the troubleshooter does not resolve the issue, I suggest testing your headphones with another device. If the headphones still don't work on another device, it's likely a problem with your headphones. In this case, contact the manufacturer for the assistance. However, if the headphones work on another device but not on your computer, then it's likely a problem with your computer. Contact the manufacturer for further assistance as well. So this is basically on how to fix Windows 11 not detecting headphones. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.